Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Pradhan. I am a passionate full stack developer. I have around 1 year of experience in developing innovative and user friendly web application. Uh, I have uh, I have strong foundation in both front end and back end technologies. So today I want to explore the essential skills of effective communication and how it can positively impact various aspects of our lives. One, active listening. Communication is not just about speaking; it's about listening. Active listening innovates giving full attention to the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. By participating active listening, we show respect and empathy towards others. PowerPoints, clarity and conscientiousness. Clear communication in key to avoiding misunderstanding. When exploring ideas, it's important to be clear and concise. Using simply language and organizing thoughts can make complex ideas more understandable and accessible to others. Empathy and understanding. Effective communication involves understanding in emotion and perspective of others. Empathy communication fosters trust and connection. By putting ourselves in others' shoes, we can respond in a sensitive and compassionate manner. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal cues such as facial expression, gesture, and tones of voice plays a significant role in communication. Being aware of these cues helps convey emotion and intention effectively. A warm smile or a raising touch can convey more than word alone. Confidence and assertiveness. Confidence in communication does not mean being overly dominant. It means expressing thought and opinions in convenient while representing others viewpoints. Assertive communication promotes healthy discussion and mutual understanding. 6. Feedback and adaptability. Receiving and giving feedback is a vital for improving communication skill. Contribute feedback help us understand our strengths and areas of important adaptability. Being adaptable in communication style based on the situation and the audience enhance our effectiveness. Conflict resolution. Effective communication is crucial in resolving conflicts involve active listening, understanding the underlying issue, the finding common ground by expressing concern, claim and respectively. Conflict can be resolved amicably, perceiving relationship. Communication in the digital age. In today's digital world, written communication through email, text, and social media is prevalent. It's important to be clear and consideration in digital communication, as the absence of tone and facial expression can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. In conclusion, mastering the art of effective communication is a lifelong journey. It empowers us build meaningful relationships, resolve conflict, and collaborate successful. By honoring our communication skill, we can create a positive impact on our personal and professional lives. Thank you for joining me in exploring the art of effective communication today. I encourage you to practice these skills and your daily interaction, fostering understanding and connection with those around you.